What's up? What's up? It's your boy. And what I want to talk about is I want to really discuss how to scale your business. Now, what many people misunderstand is that it's not so much a wrong way to scale your business, but making sure that you get the most effective way to scale your business. Now, there's so many things out there. There's so many different options. There's, social media is an incredible tool, absolutely incredible tool. There's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. There's countless different, and there's so many others. There truly is. There's so many different platforms for social media, and the thing is, most of them you can just straight up advertise for free. You can really put yourself out there. You can put your business out there. You can market yourself as the as the guy. You can market yourself as the owner. You can market yourself as the contractor, the developer, the whatever it is that your position in said business is. Now, everybody's got a different kind of business. But the thing is what is consistent about all businesses is that consistency is key in order to grow and scale your business properly and effectively. So what you got to do is you got to find what market you're trying to grow. Okay, you got to figure out who it is you're trying to pitch to, and you've got to appeal to them. One of the great examples, I've used it before, is a guy who was a cement company, and he used TikTok. There's also a great example of a plastic surgeon in Florida who scaled business through Reels on Instagram. Ultimately, that's what you got to do, is you've got to figure out who it is you're trying to speak to, and you've got to appeal to them. Sometimes just putting your business out there saying, well, I offer this, and I offer this, and I offer this. These are the things I offer. Okay, that is important. Absolutely make sure they know what you're selling, or know what you're marketing, know what you're offering. You've got to make sure it's clear. It's got to be clear. It's got to be concise. They got to know, okay, what are they getting? Also, something else is, don't be afraid to put prices out there. Especially when you're really just trying to get started, because prices matter. Some people will just turn away because, you can look at some of the biggest people. Grant Cardone, he's never hesitant to put, hey, look, I offer courses, I offer this, I offer that, and this is the price that I'm offering it for. It's like some people have this idea, well, I want them to talk to me and then I'll give them the price. No, that only works if you're already somebody. If you're not somebody, it doesn't work well. It doesn't translate well, because you're going to turn people off who are going to scroll past your ad or happen to see your ad here, there, wherever. And as they see it, they're just like, I don't know if this is for me. But if they see that price and they're like, okay, I'm not sure if that works for me, but I know the price is right, so maybe I should talk to them. Okay, so never hesitate to put what it is you're doing, what it is you're offering. Be clear, concise. Make sure you, like I said, put a price out there. Let them know what your price scales are. Make it easy for them to contact you. I literally have people contact me sometimes in weird ways, which is mind-boggling to me, because I'm like, to me, when they find me in a weird way, to me it's always cool, because I feel like they really sought me out, because they'll message me on a different platform about something they saw somewhere else. They're like, oh, I saw you on Twitter, and they'll message me on Instagram, or on Instagram, and they'll message me here. And it's like, to me, that always means a lot, because they've sought me out. But at the same time, what you want to do is make sure you're putting all your platforms out there. You want to let them know how they can contact you. You want to make sure your email is available. Make sure that you have open line of communication to potential clients. And by far, the most important is consistency. Doesn't matter what kind of ad you're running or where you're running it at. Doesn't matter if you're running it on social media and you're doing a free ad that you do, like you make your own ad and you do it as a post on your business profile on Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram or anything like that. Or it doesn't matter if you do that, or if you go a step further to buy an actual ad and promote posts on Instagram, or if you go on or if you go on Facebook and you actually buy like legit Facebook ads. You can definitely buy ad space on Facebook, and it's incredibly effective. But whatever you do, it doesn't matter whether you do it here, there, or you do the free ones, or you gotta be consistent. Consistency. Make sure that you're growing your platform. Make sure that you're making your presence known. Don't overflood with nonsense. Like I said, put yourself out there. Be willing to engage. Be willing to make it more than just a marketing pitch. You can absolutely. I mean, with social media, you got to be a little bit social. So it's got to be just a little more than just marketing. Tell them a story. Have a little fun with it. Be silly. Goof around. But like I said, at the end of the day, what's most important, that's not you. That's not you. Don't compromise who you are. Be willing to put yourself out there. Who you are, how you are, what you think, how you operate. Like, you get me. You get me. Every time you see me, you see me. Who I am right here is who I am when I turn this camera off. Who you see on Instagram is who you're going to see on LinkedIn. Who you're going to see on LinkedIn is who you're going to see on Facebook or TikTok or whatever. Wherever you find me, you're going to see me. Now, I may talk about, I may be more serious and more passionate when I talk about certain things. And I may be a little bit more laid back and a little bit more silly when I talk about certain things because I'm a human and my emotions fluctuate. So do yours. Allow them to be that way. Don't feel like you got to be on a certain script or a certain emotion or a certain, well, I've got to be proper. I've got to talk like this. I've got to get it directly to you. No, you don't have to be any certain thing. You've got to be you, because what's going to sell your business is you. What's going to market your business is you. What's going to change and make your business different than the other guy down the street who's trying to do the same thing that you're doing is you. So like I said, be yourself, embrace it, put it out there, have some fun, and be consistent. Be consistent. There's different ways that you can do it. Some people do, well, I'm going to do 3 posts at a time and I'm going to do them at the same window each day. Some people, I'm going to do 2 posts a day, 1 here and 1 there. Whatever you do, whatever path or pattern that you choose, be consistent and stick to it. Now, if you see it after, you got to give it time. If you see it after like a quarter, you're like, okay, it's been 3 months. It's not quite working the way I thought it was being, but I can see that when I do it at this time opposed to this time, it's being more effective here than here. So do it here than here. Change it. Be willing to adapt. But like I said, consistency is key, and put yourself out there. Don't be shy. Don't be scared. Just embrace it and put yourself out there. That's what's going to get it done. So I wish you all the best. If you've got questions, if you've got comments, if you've got tips or ideas that you think might be better than mine, please absolutely put them below, because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to lift people up, elevate people, and I don't know everything. I know a lot, but I don't know everything. You might know something that I don't know, and one of my viewers could see your comment and it could position them in a better place. So let's share the love and let's put it out there. Give your boy some love. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Ding your bell. Get your notifications. Stay tuned, because I got so much more coming at you. And y'all be sure y'all find me everywhere else, because I'm everywhere. Being CoreyB, and I'm all over the place.